Hello, my name is Jamaica Dinara Amor Nuneza, and I am from Bitalid 1-7A. And now, let's talk about decision making. So, decision making. So, what is decision making? So, no, ang decision making, no, kay kana is the process of deciding something, especially after considering various possibilities. So, kanang decision making is kanang a big crucial both of our life, kanang kanang with action na maka-decide ta. So, for me, not isa ka desisyon nako na akong wala ko nagmahay sa ka desisyon. It's nung ni ana akong mama na mag-education daw ko. So, I choose to be education. So, dili jud siya education gid akong purpose gid to siya is HM unta to. And wala man sa hindi naman masama na mag-try. So walang mawawala. So I decide to take the education. So mao to, and yeah, until now okay ra na ako na gipili na akong education kay both my parents and my relatives na they push me na to choose education. Even though na dili siya ang moong first choice nako. And ang isa ka desisyon na kanang na akong mahayan or pagsisiyan, and when I have one friend, international, a Chinese friends. And that time nagpalitan mi mga kanang messages, hi and hello. And not until na asked ni Asha na if I have WeChat. And I said, no. Kay, akong gamit na social media is Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, and maara na siya. Then, ano siya na, if naman ako yung chance na mag-download WeChat, when para daw mutual friends me. And yes, I download the WeChat, and until nag-common friends na me ato, not until na full storage gid siya akong phone, and I need to delete the WeChat apps because WeChat is the big storage. So yeah, dako ka siya impact sa akong cellphone. So before I delete the apps, so nag-post ako daan. So akong gi-post ito na maybe I delete this later, something blah blah blah. And anto gidelete na ko, and mo to akong pinaka decision na akong namahayan kay pag delete na ako, wala ako kibaw na delete gid siya tanan, like dili na siya ma-open sa pero katutong Oppo user pa ko ato that time. And then akong gitry siya open, and dili na ako siya ma-open, and dili na walang connection niya. And until karon ako siya gitry gyapon siya gi-open bisag naka new unit na akong gigamit na phone, and di gapon siya ma-open kay I think na siya code from China kay because WeChat made from China siya a platform, right? So that's why. And so I try to reconnect sa katong first na interaction, which is the Saka apps. And dito last niyang online is 2022 ata to or 2023 something. And offline na siya dito, and wala lang na nagamit apps, and wala na siya na scenario na decision na namahayan ako. And yes, and that's it for my experience about decision making. Thank you.